Championship Fury World conferma poco perché Kosovo rin mo rin sila kiri-kiri Fury Kosovo poti Chiotek at tuwak sisisa.
Yep, we're going. This is part 2 of our fishing activity with Mr. Vitri and Mr. JM, principal. And we have here, what's your name? Right there. So there we go. So again, enjoy watching this part 2 of our fishing activity. We're using trolling. Alright, see you guys. Another one's right there. Listen. Savior right there. I don't know what's that church. Our friends in Thailand. We have a church right there. I think that's a Mormon church. What's that church, principal? What church?
This is King Catholic Church. Jesus King.
Which up, right? That's a Catholic church. Which up? And those will be 6 steps right there. So Mr. Vitri and Principal now is preparing their fake baits. What's that, squid? Fake squid or octopus, right? Octopus. So Wino is there, and according to Mr. Vitri, this is the exit of all ships, right? Coming in and going out of this state, Chuk state. Yeah, there is one ship over there, shipwreck. What's that? Maybe long time ago. So there is shipwreck over there. That's a shipwreck. Maybe that one. We don't know when was that. When was that shipwreck? Ship sunk there. Okay, so that is, I think, how many miles from Wano? Alright.
This island here is Mots Island.
Mots?
Yeah. That other one there, Etten.
Etten.
Yeah.
Where's Mots?
This.
Oh,
Mots
this
Island.
one close to us.
That far away one is Etten.
Etten.
And those down there, that's Rua. Rua.
For a cook.
And this one down here is Arageriban.
Arigiriban. Woo! And those islets inside reef, right? Chuk Reef.
The seaweed. That one there is also inside.
Inside.
Inside lagoon island.
There are birds right here. Couple of birds right here. Oh, how many white? Oh, one white bird. So that's the indicator or sign that there are tunas right here. Principal and partner here already. So we'll see. So you can see the birds roaming around. We saw one boat right there. Alright, so we'll see. Trying to figure out where are the birds going. Let's see. There's one boat there. There's one boat there. Also go fishing. Bite breakfast. Tuna. Going there. Don't worry about that. Plastic right there. Swimming. Birds swimming. What do you mean by this? That means lots of fish. Bite now, bite. We don't know. Oh, there is one more there. Oh my goodness. So there's one boat there. Yeah, 100%. Lots of birds. Oh my, oh my. Wow, look at that birds, my goodness. I think hundreds. The question is there any school of fish here? Lots of birds. You see the bird? So many birds, my fish, but now. Oh, right there. I saw one tuna right there. I think this is the right time. So there is one ship there. Oh no, boat. Oh my, look at those. Oh my. It's nuts. So many birds. There is one ship there, one boat. We don't know why. Maybe fish just playing.
Noto, Kuya, it's already too. But you see already not over.
So we found birds here. Black and white birds. So we'll see. Like last time, guys, you remember? If the bird is sounding, that means there is school of fish. Today's no sound, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see this, what's this? Just expectation. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, more than 10 birds. More than 10 birds, right? Oh, sounding! We're sounding, man. That means there is a school of fish here. Okay! Come on, birds! You can see the birds right there. Maybe they are also scouting. Scouting. Alright, thank you, birds. Ooh, heavy rain. Bueno. Oh my goodness. Birds going there. We're here outside reef. Juk State reef. We're outside. So you can see the weather right now experiencing heavy rain, and we're here outside. No rain, very clear. See, and we're still looking for school of fish. Hoping we have a catch today. We can catch fish today. We're using trolling. And shout out right there. Sorry, so just wait for a while. Our time now is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're still here in the ocean.
Yellow feet. Oh, sharky! Shark attack!
Attack! Shark!
Shark attack, shark attack.
There's shark!
Ow.
Ow.
Oh man.
Para.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Wow, so that means lots of sharks. Okay. Another set. Yeah, we're close to the reef, so that's why sharks were here. Oh my. Lots of sharks. Okay, ready? Ready for shark. So birds right there. See?
Yellow feet.
So there is another boat there. Okay. Bite. Okay. Bite now, bite. Bite. Fire. Okay. Okay. Woo. Alright, alright.
Yellowfin, yellowfin.
So yellowfin, what's that? Principal, why it's hard? Woo! What's that, Principal? Oh, Principal. 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 Yeah! Okay, come on.
Hurry, Peter. Sawap, sawap. Ya, berikut. Apa, berikut.
Okay. What happened? Wow. That's huge. Yellowfins, Principal?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Woo.
Kira-kira. Siapa? Sama orang target.
Okay. Alright. Punch one more.
One more.
Yep. Okay. Woo. Okay. Woo, yellowfins. So there's one here right now. Okay. Wow, that's a big. Woo, bird still there. Okay, okay. Woo! Birds, birds. Birds, birds. Okay, come on, come on. Woo! Bite now, bite. Bite now. So there is another boat there. Woo! Lots of birds. Bite now, bite! Bite, bite! Woo! Alright, bite! 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 Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Okay, this part you can see tuna. Okay, okay, okay. Woo! Fire! Okay. Okay. Woo. Alright, alright.
Yellowfin, yellowfin.
So yellowfin, what's that? Principal, why it's hard? Woo! What's that, Principal? Oh, Principal. 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 Yeah! Okay, come on. can see the tuna.
Change the lure.
Oh.